Dear students, hope you are all well. Here I come to help you to work out the model activity task given by the boards for you. Let's come to the task. It is activity 1. Follow the instruction. Rewrite the following sentences using future continuous tense. One is done for you. We shall watch cricket match on the television. It is worked out. We shall be watching cricket match on television. At first, we should know the structure of future continuous tense. What is it? At first, subject plus shall or will plus be plus verb ing. It is the structure of future continuous tense. Subject plus shall or will plus be plus verb ing. Now when it is said, we shall watch cricket match on the television. So according to this instruction, the student we shall be watching cricket match. Shall be watching. We shall be watching. Subject we. Then shall plus be. Here is the verb watch. Add ing watching cricket match on television. Number 1. The students will shout when the teacher comes. The students will be shouting when the teacher comes. Number 2. The girls will dance on the stage in the evening. The girls subject. The girls will be dancing on the stage in the evening. Number 3. Mother will work in her office. Mother subject. Mother will be working in her office. So try to remember the structure of future continuous tense. Subject plus shall or will plus be plus verb ing. Okay. Now come to the activity 2. What is the instruction? Write the antonym of the following word and rewrite the sentence. Number 1. Some clothes were damp when I went to the backyard. Some clothes were damp. What is the underlined word? Damp. Damp means wet. So, you will have to use the antonym. That is the opposite word of damp. What is it? It is dry. So, try to rewrite the sentence. Some clothes were dry when I went to the backyard. Number 2. The leaves of the mango tree look dirty. Dirty. Dirty means not clean, unclean. The leaves of the mango tree look clean. The opposite of dirty, clean. Number 3. The children were happy to see the stranger. The underlined word is happy. What is the opposite of happy? It is sad. The children were sad to see the stranger. Okay. Now come to the activity 3. What is it? Add suitable suffix or prefix to the given words in the list and fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. Suffix or prefix. Suffix, what is suffix? What is prefix? A letter or a group of letters which is added after the root word is called suffix, and what is added before the word is called prefix. Okay. Now come. Tanima buys a dash bag from the supermarket. Number 2. It was a dash to catch the deer for the hunter. The listed words are you will have to use prefix or suffix to these two words, fashion and possible. The first one is Tanima buys a dash bag. Fashion at fashion plus able. It is fashionable. So here I use fashionable. Tanima buys a fashionable bag from the supermarket. Number 2. It was dash to catch the deer for the hunter. Use prefix to the word possible. Im plus possible. It will be impossible. So here I use it was impossible to catch the deer for the hunter. Okay.